Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this day's tutorial, we're going to learn how to select SIM card for internet data in Samsung phone. First of all, go to your settings app on your phone. Then you have to choose connections option, and it's right here. Just click on it and choose SIM card manager right here. Then you have to click on mobile data and choose the SIM card that you want. You can choose either SIM 1 or SIM 2. You just have to click on it like this and wait for a moment. And alright, SIM 2 will be used for mobile data because I choose SIM 2. And actually there is another way to select a SIM card for internet data or mobile data. You can swipe down your screen twice like this, and you have to choose mobile data right here, and you can choose either SIM 1 or SIM 2. It's up to you. And alright guys, that's how we can select a SIM card for internet data or mobile data in Samsung phone. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Bye.